In this video, I will show you how to replace the interior auto-dimming rear view mirror in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The mirror is mounted to a metal bracket bonded directly to the windshield. If your vehicle is equipped with an auto-dimming mirror, you will first have to remove the plastic covers that conceal the mirror wiring. Start by tilting the mirror downward. This creates additional space between the mirror housing and the headliner, making it easier to access the covers. Now look behind the mirror and you will see a large plastic cover extending from the mirror base up to the headliner. In the center of this cover is a smaller removable access panel. To remove the small cover, place your finger between the headliner and the upper edge of the cover. Pull the cover outward and it will unclip from the larger cover. Once it's loose, remove it and set it aside. With the small cover removed, we can now take off the main cover. At the top of the large cover, just below the headliner, there are retaining tabs on both sides. Start with one side and pull the upper corner of the cover outward to release the first tab. Then move to the opposite side and pull the cover outward again to release the second tab. Once both upper tabs are free, grab the cover from the bottom and pull it outward. After the cover is loose, slide it downward along the mirror stem and remove it completely. With the cover out of the way, you will have access to the mirror wiring harness and its connector. Press the locking tab on the connector and disconnect it from the mirror. Next, locate the retaining screw at the base of the mirror where it attaches to the windshield mounting bracket. This is a T20 Torx screw. Using a T20 Torx driver, remove the retaining screw. Keep the screw in a safe place as you will need it during reinstallation. Once the screw has been removed, hold the mirror firmly and slide it straight upward toward the headliner. The mirror mount will slide off the metal windshield bracket and can then be removed from the vehicle. Here is a close-up of the rear view mirror. This is the part number. Now take your replacement mirror and align its mounting base with the windshield bracket. Slide the mirror downward onto the bracket until it is fully seated. Reinstall the T20 retaining screw and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect the electrical connector and make sure it locks into place. Now reinstall the large plastic cover. Slide it upward into position around the mirror stem and wiring. Press the lower portion into place first. Then snap both upper retaining tabs back into position near the headliner. Finally, reinstall the small center cover by aligning it with the opening and pressing it in until it clicks into place. Now adjust the mirror for a clear view through the rear window and make sure the cover is fully seated with no gaps. Turn on the ignition and make sure the mirror is powered up. If the mirror is functioning properly, the green indicator light on the mirror will illuminate. This indicates that the auto-dimming feature is active and ready to automatically reduce glare from vehicles behind you during nighttime driving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeZoin for more car repair videos. Thanks for watching.